Did you know there's a place where people never retire and live past 100? In Okinawa, Japan, centenarians wake up each day with purpose. They call it ikigai. While the Western world burns out chasing paychecks, then dreams of retirement, Okinawans have discovered something different. Ikigai sits at the intersection of four elements: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. 100-year-old fishermen still cast their nets at dawn. Century-old farmers tend their gardens with steady hands. They don't work because they have to. They work because it gives their life meaning. Research shows people with strong purpose live 7 years longer. Their daily motivation flows from fulfillment, not obligation. The obstacle isn't finding work you love. It's discovering work that serves something greater than yourself. Start by asking 3 questions. What activities make you lose track of time? What problems do you naturally solve for others? What would you do if money wasn't a factor? Your ikigai isn't hiding. It's waiting for you to connect the dots.